Hi, I'm Dr. Caroline Elbra-Ramsay and I work in the School of Education, Languages and Psychology at York St John University. My own professional and research interests are focused on primary school education, particularly the use of feedback. The current situation with COVID-19 has caused me to really think about the role of the teacher. Schools all around the country have been trying to convert the teaching and learning experience of the classroom into a remote version, whilst parents have been trying to grapple with homeschooling their own children. But is it really that easy to move from the school to the home setting? There are always ongoing discussions about what the role of the teacher is. Are teachers information providers? Are they resource developers? Are they facilitators or scaffolders of learning? Are they responsible for academic progress or the child's emotional well-being? What about their role as planners, assessors, role model, organiser, subject specialist, motivator, etc.? The truth is that teaching involves all of these things and many more, and this is what makes it so challenging to distill classroom teaching into a series of homeschool activities. Teachers are not technicians. A plus B does not always lead to C. Part of the teacher's role is getting to know each and every child in their class, their likes, dislikes, strengths and stumbling blocks. They become attuned to recognising the little cues that indicate uncertainties, lack of confidence or motivation, and they're able to pull a new approach from their internal library of resources, strategies and approaches. These are all part of the ongoing feedback dialogue between teacher and pupil. So presenting a one-size-fits-all discrete version of a lesson is therefore challenging not only for those that plan it, but also those who take on the responsibility to deliver it in the home. Teaching is not exact, it's fluid and flexible and relies on an effective teacher-learner relationship, or as Buber calls it, an I-thou rather than an I-it relationship, where we know and care for children as individuals. These relationships are key to the role of the teacher, both as motivator but also as facilitator and scaffolder of learning. Ongoing classroom feedback between teacher and pupil has a relational quality, and that assists in the building of these relationships. So although remote teaching and learning does allow for learning opportunities we've planned for, it doesn't really allow for the little thumbs up, well done or other personal touches a primary school teacher peppers their teaching with. Remote teaching has a lack of fluidity and responsiveness, which reduces the likelihood of all of those roles of the teacher being fulfilled. So I'm sure that teachers will all be looking forward to this time passing so they can once again get back into their classroom to practice both the science and the art of teaching and learning. Children will be back with their peers in the classroom context, and parents will be able to concentrate on the parent-child relationship rather than trying to also develop a teacher-pupil relationship. As a parent myself, I certainly know from my own experience this is much more challenging than we think. Stay safe, everyone.